are here celebrating the World Science Day in the Moonstar English School, Nurpur, for the students. And here, the first of all, the quiz competition will happen. The intellectual minds of the student will battle for the competition. Here, we have three rounds of competition. The first round will be the rapid fire round, another will be the buzzer round, and third will be the TLM explanation. Hence, well, the Science Day is observed because the C.V. Raman, who was one of the great scientists of India, has invented the C.V. Raman effect. So, to begin the program, I would like to introduce the teams. There are 4 teams, A, B, C and D. There are 3 members in each team. The following science quiz competition is organized by the science department of our school, and we have with us our colleague Jaya ma'am as a judge, and Ankita ma'am, who will be the commissioner who will ask the question to the students. So let's begin the first round of our program, which will be the rapid fire round. I am telling you the rules. Pay attention to the rules, all the participants. The first rule is the 5 questions will be asked from each team, and only the 5 seconds will be given. Since it's a rapid fire, that means you will be only given 5 seconds to answer. If you will not be able to answer in the 5 seconds, then the next answers will be asked and your marks will not be allotted for the first one. Did you got the rule? Okay. Let's start the first round of the competition.
What
type of wave requires a medium to travel through matter? What is the main ingredient in the glass? Wrong. 4th question. How many bones are there in an adult human body? Which mammal is known to lay eggs? Yes. Okay, repeat.
Stop the
What do you call a scientist who studies books?
Scientist.
What do you call a scientist who studies rocks? Next question. Which type of animal is a dolphin? Next question. What do we call the process by which plants lose water vapor? Yes. Which phenomena causes rainbow to form? No, wrong. Which animal can sleep for 3 years at a time?
Snake.
Yes. Group C question. What is the process by which water vapor turns into liquid water? Okay, next question. What do you call a scientist who studies plants? No, wrong. Which planet is known as the giant planet? Yes. Next. Which organ in the human body filters blood and produces urine? Yes. Next question. What are the animals that eat dead and decaying matter called? No, wrong. Okay, group D. Which part of the human body is responsible for producing insulin?
Pancreas.
How many many planets are there in our solar system? What do we call a substance that speeds up the chemical reaction? Yes. What do we call a substance that speeds up a chemical reaction?
Product.
No, not. Which planet is known as the red planet? Next. Which part of the cell contains the genetic material? Which part of the cell contains a genetic material?
Nucleus.
Yes. What do we call a group of stars that follows the pattern in the sky? Yes, group C. What is the full form of HIV?
लाइन कैसे बनाते हैं ये नहीं पता है जहाँ मैम खड़ी वहाँ पे नहीं
What is the full form of HIV? Okay, next group D. What is random motion? What is random motion? Okay. Now group A. What is random motion? Okay. Group B. What is random motion? No. Wrong.
स्कूल बता दीजिए
Team A has got 5 score. Okay, the 5 score out of 7. Okay, and Team B has scored 3 out of 7. Team C has scored 2 out of 7, and Team D has scored 4 out of 7. That means the top 3 will go to the next round, and the last team, the team which has the last position, the team that has got the last position will be disqualified. So Team C, who has got only 2 score, they are disqualified, and now Group D, Group B and Group A will compete for the next round, which is actually the buzzer round. The teachers will ask the question to you, and whoever raises the hand first will be given the chance to answer. Understood? So you have to be very much alert, because once the questions will be asked, you have to raise your hand. Understood? Okay.
Very good morning to everyone. Today I am going to explain the function or about the brain. So as you know, the brain is the main functioning part of our body. As we know, the brain is situated at the upper side of our body, and we can consider it that it can explain or give commands over all of the body. Okay, the brain contains different parts, and different parts of brain can explain and can control different parts of the body. Some parts of the brain can control the feelings and the emotions, and like eating and having excitement and all. So the brain is connected to the spinal cord. So we can say that the spinal cord is responsible for mainly for reflex action. So as we know that if we are by giving an example, I want to explain you. Like if we are touching any hot pan and something, so our hand reflects it. So as we can say that it is not the command from our brain, it is from our spinal cord, and it is responsible for mainly for the reflex action. Now, the brain contains different parts like medulla, cerebrum, and cerebellum. These all can control the body and help everything. So, as we are feeling about hungry or anything, so if you wanted to study or if you are not wanting to study, the brain is the main function of our body. So, the mental health is very important than any other health. So, I would like to tell you all to maintain your brain so that you can be healthy and excited and to promoting or excited for the studying and anything. So thank you so much.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Sakshi. I study class 8B. Today my topic is pollution. Pollution is harmful. It is bad for all living beings. Air and water pollution are worse. Pollution causes diseases. This spoil our air and water. It causes global warming. It is bad for plant earth. We should not use plastic. We should reduce our waste. I love my planet and I will help it. Keeping our surroundings clean is important. Now I would like to